Both the Mahagathbandhan and the NDA are making every effort towards a strong election strategy for the Bihar election. The distribution of ticket will be done on the condition that which condition has the ability to win more. NDA has JDU, BJP, LJP, Hindustan Awam Morcha and RLM. Chirag Paswan, Jitan Ram Manjhi and Upendra Kushwaha. This time Chirag Paswan is also in the NDA constituency party, so a respectable seat has to be provided for him as well. This time the distribution of tickets and seat is to be done under the NDA balanced equation. The distribution of seats will be determined on the basis of the strength and influence of the alliance partners. During the seat sharing, special attention will be paid to the regional hold of the party, possibility, strength of the candidate and caste equation. Seat sharing will be done without distributing the caste balance. Seat sharing will also be done on the basis of the result of the Lok Sabha elections, where JDU and BJP are facing defeat for 2 consecutive times. That seat will be given to an ally who has higher chances of winning. In seat sharing, not only the history and strength of the party will be seen, but also their future will be assessed. That is, can it achieve a strong position in the present time? How much is the capacity to win in the present time? This time the situation is different from the last election in this matter, that the losses that were incurred in the last election due to Chirag Paswan will not happen in this time. Talking about the seat sharing of last time, BJP had contested on 110 seats but could win only 74 seats, whereas JDU had fielded its candidate on 115 seats but succeeded in winning only 43 seats. It is believed that Chirag Paswan is the reason behind JDU winning so few seats and losing more seats. But this time they are also a part of NDA, and this time JDU will be saved from this situation. This time it is believed that JDU will contest on 101 to 105 seats and BJP on the same number of seats. After this, 22 to 25 seats will be kept reserved for Chirag Paswan. After this, there is Jitan Ram Manjhi, who will be given 5 to 7 seats, and Upendra Kushwaha will be given 4 to 5 seats. But Jitan Ram Manjhi had started the exercise of getting more seats than this much earlier. Anyway, this time NDA does not seem to be breaking up, and in such a situation, seat sharing in NDA is considered to be certain only under better coordination at the level of understanding.